Dear students, welcome to Dev's Academy. We are continuing the same chapter. This is for CBSE class 10 and we are going through the chapter that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Previously, I think you have learned the formula whatever it is given. Now we will have to solve some problems with the given formula. Just see the first problem. The first problem is that the midpoint of the line segment joining A to A, 4, that is, this is the coordinate of x, this is y, x and y, and B minus 2 and 3b. The coordinate A 2a, 4 and B minus 2, 3b is C 1, 2a plus 1. This is the midpoint. C is the midpoint between A and B. That is, when A with straight line AB is joined, C is the midpoint. We have to find out the values of A and B. Clearly the midpoint of the line AB, that is C, equal to, we know that x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. That is, this equal to 1 and this is equal to 2a minus plus 1. When 2a plus 1 minus 2 by 2 equal to 1, or A equal to 2a equal to 4, that is A equal to 2. From the first part we are getting that A equal to 2, and from the second part 4 plus 3b by 2 equal to 2a plus 1. 4 plus 3b by 2 equal to 2a plus 1. Now there is 4 plus 2b equal to 4a plus 2, but the value of A equal to 2. So it is 4 plus 3b, this is 4, 3b, the value of A equal to 2 plus 2, that is 3b equal to 6 or B equal to 2. That is, the value of A is also 2 and B is 2. Both are 2, A and B. Second question, in what ratio does the point P is a point that is 2 and 5, the coordinate of x and it is the coordinate of y, divides the join of A, this is P, this is A, 8, 2 and B minus 6, 9. That means P is a point between A and B and the coordinate of point P is 2, 5. At first what we will do, we will take that the required ratio be k is to 1. By section formula, the coordinate of P are 2 and 5, but according to the formula this is formula, this is y1, this is x1 equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m2 plus m1, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This equal to 2 and 5. This equal to 2 and this equal to 5. Calculating this one, minus 6k plus 8 by k plus 1, we are getting 2. So here we are getting k equal to 3 by 4. And from the second part, 9k plus 2 by k plus 1 equal to 5. And this also, the outcome is k, value of k equal to 3 by 4. That is, the ratio k is to 1, we have thought that the ratio is k is to 1, so k is to 1 equal to 3 by 4 is to 1, that is 3 is to 4. Therefore, the ratio equal to 3 is to 4. This is the answer. Now, question number 3. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A, the point A, that is coordinate is 3 and minus 3, and coordinate of B is minus 2 and 7, is divided by x-axis. And also find the point of division. dear students, think that the line segment is divided by x-axis. On the x-axis, the value of x is real, but real means that it has got a point and it has got a numerical value. But on x-axis, the value of y-axis is 0. Value of y equal to 0. So we are taking like this one, a 3 minus 3 and b minus 2 7, and p is a point, and the ratio between a and b that divides p equal to m1 and m2. Let the required ratio be m1 and m2. Therefore y equal to, we know that m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Putting the value of y2 and y1, we are getting 0, because the value of y on the x-axis is equal to 0, and we are getting that m1 is to m2 equal to 3 is to 7. Now putting that m1, m2, 3 is to 7, we are getting x equal to 3 by 2. So the ratio is 3 is to 7, and the value of x equal to, value of x coordinate x coordinate is 3 by 2. Therefore the ratio is 3 by 7, and the point, the coordinate of x-axis is 3 by 2 and y-axis is 0. This is the coordinate. The another fourth problem is that find the lengths of the median of triangle ABC whose vertices are A, that is 7 minus 3, B 5 3 and C 3 minus 1. Let the triangle be like this way. This is A 3 7 3, B 5 3 and C 3 minus 1, and let the medians be AD, BE and CF. We know that the median is the straight line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of AB. Here it is. D, E, F, let be the midpoints of BC, CA and AB. Therefore the coordinates of D, E, F will be, D will be, this is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 in every case, and we are getting the coordinate of D equal to 4 minus 1, 4 1. The coordinate of E, the midpoint of AC is 5 minus 2, and the coordinate of F, that is the midpoint of AB, equal to 6 0. Therefore the medians AD equal to, according to the distance formula, it is done, and AD equal to 5 unit, BE is also 5 unit, and CF is root over 10 units. That is an irrational number, root over 10. So this is the answer. Now we have finished 4 problems. Dear students, follow my class regularly and you will have all your problems solved. That's all today.